Welcome to the best Microsoft Excel classes on the web. My name's Todd McLeod and I am a Microsoft certified master instructor. I have been teaching individuals of all ability levels from absolute beginners to advanced users how to use Microsoft Excel for over 2 decades. And if we look at the work of Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell, there's his name, he says it takes about 10 years to really become a master at something, 4 hours a day for 10 years. That's in his book Outliers, that's what the data shows. And I've been doing this for 2 decades. So I've really developed a great way to help people learn Microsoft Excel and to have fun while doing it. So the courses that we offer are great for, great for beginners and intermediate and advanced users. There's a bunch of different videos on this page which kind of speak to the different users and the different reasons why this is the best class in the entire world for you to learn Microsoft Excel. So take a look at the videos down below, and then when you're ready to purchase the course, just click that buy button and come join the course. It's a win-win situation. You're going to have a good time learning Microsoft Excel. I'm going to get your skills to where they need to be and even take you farther if you want to go farther. And so it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's a no-risk proposition, satisfaction guaranteed. So you have nothing to lose by taking this class. So watch some of the videos down below or click that buy button, and I'll look forward to seeing you in class.